Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a Brother printer to new Wi-Fi using Brother iPrint. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Brother printer is powered on. Next, make sure your mobile device is connected to the new Wi-Fi network. Download and install the Brother iPrint and Scan app from your App Store. Open the Brother iPrint and Scan app on your mobile device. On the main screen, tap on the printer option. Select Add Printer from the menu. The app will search for available printers on the network. When your printer appears in the list, tap to select it. If your printer does not appear, make sure both your mobile device and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your printer to the new Wi-Fi. You may need to enter your Wi-Fi password during the setup process. Once the connection is established, you will see a confirmation message. Now, navigate back to the main screen of the app. Here, you can print documents or photos directly from your mobile device. To confirm the connection, try printing a test page. If successful, your Brother printer is now connected to the new Wi-Fi. For any issues, consult the troubleshooting section in the app for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.